Hi, and welcome to AI Life Mastery. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence tools can help you create passive income online. Whether you want to earn money while you sleep or free up your time, these tools can streamline tasks, automate processes, and open up new opportunities. Let's dive into the best strategies to get started. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to generate passive income, and AI tools can help you scale this business faster. Tools like Jasper, formerly Jarvis, can help you create SEO-optimized content that attracts visitors to your affiliate links. You can quickly write blog posts, social media content, and product reviews using Jasper's automated content generation. Another helpful tool is Surf for SEO, which analyzes top-ranking pages and optimizes your content to rank higher in search engines. This means more organic traffic to your website, and more clicks on your affiliate links, leading to commissions. Tip: don't forget to place affiliate links strategically in your content, within the text and the video description. Dropshipping is another way to generate passive income with minimal upfront investment. By using AI-driven tools like Spocket and Oberlo, you can automate product selection, inventory management, and even customer service. These tools integrate with platforms like Shopify and automatically sync product details with suppliers. Imagine setting up an online store that runs almost entirely on autopilot. With the help of AI tools, you can optimize product listings and keep your store up to date with minimal effort. If you're a content creator, AI can help you produce videos, articles, and digital products at scale, leading to multiple passive income streams. For example, you can use Pictory, the very tool I use, to transform text into professional-looking videos. This allows you to quickly create YouTube content, which can be monetized through ad revenue and affiliate links. Additionally, Canva's AI-powered design tools make it easy to create digital products like eBooks, printables, or online courses. Once uploaded to platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, these products can generate ongoing sales with minimal updates or effort. Did you know AI can even help you with automated investing? Tools like Wealthfront and Betterment use robo-advisors to manage your investment portfolio. These platforms automatically invest in diversified assets based on your preferences and risk tolerance, requiring no ongoing effort from you. Over time, this can grow your wealth passively without the need for constant trading or monitoring. Bonus: set up reinvestment options for dividends or earnings, so your passive income continues to compound. So, to wrap up, artificial intelligence tools can accelerate the growth of your passive income streams by automating tasks, improving efficiency, and scaling your efforts. Whether it's affiliate marketing, dropshipping, content creation, or automated investing, AI tools can handle the heavy lifting, so you can focus on growing your business and enjoying the income it generates. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. Please remember to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to the tools mentioned in this video.